Morning.
Morning.
What do you got there?
This? It's a pan slowly now. 1851. Actually, 1841. Mississippi. This one was made in 1851. Black
But
powder.
the model's called an 1841?
It's called the Mississippi rifle.
Okay.
Yep. So I just shot it.
Right? You hit anything?
Yep. Hit that plate way out there.
Huh. Looks like it's cockeyed now.
The plate?
Yeah. It's
Well.
got a hole in it.
It's got a hole in it. All right, so the way we do this, we're going to use 70 grains
Okay.
of the
That's triple F?
double F.
Double F. All right.
This one's mine, right?
Yep.
Because I put double F.
That's double F.
Like that. Okay. You drop it in. Like so. And then we either take a patched round ball, or in this case, we're going to use a little Minet ball. So it looks
And
like
what's
a
the
regular
caliper
bullet.
of that?
Huh?
What's the caliper?
This is 54 caliber. Okay,
So you don't need a patch,
Don't need a patch. You can use a patch, but you don't need a patch.
but you're
So
putting a little
you got to put some of this
little
bullet
jizz on
lube,
there.
lube her up.
All right.
Get it in these grooves. Okay. That should be good. You set her in there. Push down. Take your ramrod. Ram it home. Sure, in there nice and good. Okay. And you got to give it some fire. Should I go for the plate?
Go for
again?
that plate again.
Okay. Take your little cap.
See the cap once. It's actually a big cap.
Yeah, it's big. Okay, you're at
Just
half
right on
cock
there, right?
here. Keep
So
that
is this
cap
pretty early
nice and
for a
tight.
cap lock?
What's that?
Is this pretty early cap lock?
Yeah, I would say it is.
What are you gonna go for?
I'm
That
gonna
plate?
go for that metal plate.
All right.
I hit it the first time, so.
You got it. Look at the smoke.
I love that.
That's pretty great.
Yeah.
All right, load it up for me now.
All right, we'll do.
Oh, now it says there's motion at your side door.
That's all right.
All right.